In this video, I'm going to show you how to use onetonline.org to help you get a jump start on your job analysis project. You should use ONET Online for any job analysis project or anything HR related in terms of trying to understand what a job entails, whether it's for a project like this or it's in the real world. First thing I'm going to do is I went to onetonline.org. Next, I'm going to type in here a job that I want to look up. So let's say that you're going to do a job analysis on an HR manager for your project. Typing that in will bring up a list, and you'll notice right up here, HR managers is the top one. By clicking on that, what will come up is a whole series of very useful information. So for example, at the very beginning, you have a set of tasks. Now note, this is a very short list of tasks for an HR manager. Any HR manager will have many more than this. The way that the data is put into ONET Online, it results through a series of multiple job analyses conducted by multiple people looking at multiple, in this case, HR managers in different industries, different parts of the country, and so forth. The results of those job analyses are sent into the folks behind the scenes at ONET, and then they look to find the commonalities across those jobs, and only those that seem to be common, regardless of industry, location, company, so forth, make the cut. So it's a very short list, but it's a list that can get you started. So one strategy here, let's say you're going to do an observation of an HR manager, is to copy, and let's see if I can do what I want to do here. I want to open up Microsoft Word. And I'm going to create a new document. Okay, now what I have is a list that I can use, if I so choose, to interview, to observe HR managers. And what I would do is I would simply edit the information in here to match what they actually do. I would delete things they don't do, the person doesn't do, or the people that do the job don't do, and I would add additional tasks. For an HR manager, there's probably 20 to 25 tasks that should be captured as a general guideline. Now, I'm going to go back to ONET, and scrolling through, there's all kinds of information that you can find. What tools and technology to use, what knowledge, skills, abilities, work activities, work context, and so forth. You can get a sense for what most people have in terms of their education level for this job. If you've ever taken the Holland interest assessment, this interest code area is an ESC, and interestingly in ONET, in another section, if you enter in your Holland code such as ESC, it will show you the jobs that match. You can also search local salary and wages for the state of Michigan here. You can also see what the employment trends are over the next 10 years, are here, what the anticipated growth is for any job that's in ONET. So in this video, what I did is showed you how you can use ONET, how to access it, and how to do a search for a job you might be interested in for your job analysis project, and how that information can be pulled into Microsoft Word to help you start an observation checklist to conduct your job analysis.